Welcome to csulb's Introduction to the BeachXP Learning Community Program. BeachXP, short for Beach Experience, is a program for incoming first-time, first-year students that aims to establish peer networks, enhance learning, build career connections, and cultivate community through friendship and fun. Students enrolled in BeachXP enter into college-specific cohorts and meet with the same peers each week for designated courses that count towards their general education or major-specific requirements. This program is designed to create connections and support our students' educational goals, bringing important opportunities and resources directly to them. Each college's BeachXP pathway is unique, but all programs feature smaller class sizes and personalized contact with professors, various optional social activities to choose from in and outside of the classroom, tutoring and mentorship opportunities, and dedicated student services support with connections to career services, financial aid counseling, and more. Not yet a part of BeachXP? Visit csulb.edu/beach-xp to see what your college has to offer and if you're eligible to participate. Already a part of BeachXP and ready to enroll in your classes? Let's take a look at the registration process together. To get started, log into your csulb single sign-on account by visiting sso.csulb.edu. Then, select the My CSULB Student Center app. In the Academic section at the top of the page, select either Enroll or Enrollment Shopping Cart. If you are officially participating in BeachXP, you will see a listing of available BeachXP cohorts from your college on this page. Each cohort contains a group of classes that you can add to your schedule. Review each option for class dates and times, then select the checkbox by the cohort you wish to add to your enrollment shopping cart. Select OK to continue. Next, you will need to add each individual class from your selected cohort to your enrollment shopping cart. Hit Next when prompted for each class. On the next page, you will see your enrollment shopping cart with your BeachXP classes included. Typically, this is at the bottom of the page. At this time, you can add any additional classes you like to your schedule. If you have any additional guided registration requirements, those course recommendations will also appear on this page in the yellow box. Be sure to follow any instructions when prompted. When ready, complete your enrollment by selecting each class in your enrollment shopping cart, and then click the Enroll button. Follow the prompts to confirm your classes. You should see green check marks by each class where you are successfully enrolled. Need to make changes to your BeachXP classes? Please keep in mind that students cannot drop individual BeachXP classes or change their cohort without advisor support. Contact your academic advisor if you need to make changes to your BeachXP cohort or if you are considering dropping from the program. If you have any questions about BeachXP or want to learn more about your college's specific learning communities, visit csulb.edu/beach-xp. For additional questions and support with your schedule, contact your academic advisor. Thanks for watching, and go Beach!